Today we're going to be getting in the Christmas spirit, not only taking this scrap wood and turning it into a Christmas tree. And yeah, you can bet I'll be blaring the Christmas tunes. 'Tis the season. What we're going to need for this project is a ready rod with some threaded bolts. I got a wing nut, capping nut, and a regular nut, and some wood. So I have all the scrap wood here. I'm just going to hit it real quick with a palm sander, and then we're going to mill it up to length. I'm going to set my saw up to the width I want it and cut it. I'm going to continue ripping like that until I have enough pieces. But right now, I want to decide if I want it ombre, dark to light, or do I want to mix the colors up. I think I'm going to go with a combination of both. The colors kind of fade, they're intertwined. So I'll cut it something like this. Now what I'll do is I'll find my center line, and just because I want to use more of the wood, this are centered to waste less wood. Now that we have them all drilled, we'll thread them through our rod. Now that we have it threaded, you can start seeing it come to life. It'll be all different dimensions once we have it standing up. But right now, I'm going to cut the shape. Now we got our lines, we can cut it. Alright, now that we have the shape cut, I'm going to make a base for it. So now I can use this as a base, countersink a hole so this can go in, this will hold it up, and we're almost done. Well, there you have it. Now it's self-standing, and you can totally play with it. You can paint it if you want. I'm going to leave this raw, might stain the bottom, but you can have this kind of design going, so you can have nice wavy, or you can look into just completely mixing it up. That's it. So some scrap wood. It's a fun and easy DIY project that you can do over the holidays. You can dress it up or dress it down.